Sailing through global trade complexity. Sriram Ananthakrishnan, 360 degrees banker, building global businesses, international trade, treasury markets, trader, structured finance, strategic financial leader. As we set sail into the uncharted waters of 2024, the global trade landscape is rife with uncertainty and complexity. From rapid shifts in sea freight rates to escalating geopolitical tensions and the looming specter of deglobalization, businesses and economies worldwide are facing a myriad of challenges. However, amidst these turbulent seas, there are also opportunities for resilience, adaptation, and growth. Unprecedented disruptions in sea freight rates. The year began with a jolt as global sea freight rates skyrocketed, driven by security disruptions in the Red Sea. These disruptions have sent shockwaves through supply chains, impacting industries and economies around the world. However, as trade demand recedes following the Lunar New Year, we anticipate some stabilization in rates. Despite this short-term respite, the long-term implications of these disruptions on global inflation and trade remain uncertain. Mixed impact on global trade flows. The fallout from the disruptions in sea freight rates is being felt unevenly across regions and industries. Asian exporters, in particular, are grappling with softer external demand and higher transport costs, while European economies face the specter of price shocks. However, there are signs that the spillover effects may not be as severe as initially feared. Strong export data from South Korea and Vietnam suggest resilience in the face of adversity, although certain industries remain vulnerable to disruption. Friendshoring, evolving trade patterns. The evolving nature of trade patterns underscores the concept of friendshoring, where countries exhibit preferences for politically aligned trade partners. This trend, coupled with a resurgence of trade restrictive measures, underscores the intricate interplay between geopolitics and trade dynamics, shaping the contours of global commerce. The specter of deglobalization. The specter of deglobalization looms large, fueled by ongoing geopolitical tensions, trade restrictive measures, and shifting trade patterns. The US-China trade war, which began in 2018 and intensified during the COVID-19 pandemic, has raised concerns about the erosion of global interconnectedness. However, despite these challenges, economic integration remains intact, demonstrating the resilience of manufacturing supply chains and corporate adaptation. Opportunities for reshoring and nearshoring. The trade war between the United States and China has spurred a re-evaluation of supply chain strategies, with companies increasingly exploring reshoring and nearshoring options. This trend, coupled with advancements in industrial automation, presents opportunities for countries like Mexico to emerge as attractive manufacturing hubs. By leveraging their proximity to key markets and investing in infrastructure, these countries can position themselves as resilient alternatives in an uncertain global trade environment. Navigating the road ahead. As we navigate the road ahead, it's essential to remain vigilant and adaptable in the face of evolving trade dynamics. Businesses must diversify their supply chains, embrace technological innovation, and forge strategic partnerships to mitigate risks and capitalize on opportunities. Governments play a crucial role in facilitating trade and investment, fostering an enabling environment for economic growth and resilience. In conclusion, while the challenges of 2024 are formidable, they also present opportunities for innovation, collaboration, and growth. By navigating these turbulent seas with foresight and agility, businesses and economies can emerge stronger and more resilient in the face of uncertainty. As we embark on this journey, let us chart a course towards a more sustainable and prosperous future for global trade. Thank you for watching this video. Follow me on LinkedIn, https://www.linkedin.com/n/Sriram77/x Twitter, Ram Your Voice YouTube, https://www.youtube.com/@ramyourvoice.